So I only have two. So and I kind of highlighted the Oxy before. This was a name that I've been in for a very long time. This was one of the kind of pre-pandemic names that I got trapped in, just not having a stop. And when energy got destroyed in the pandemic, there was really nothing to do other than just kind of sit with the name. So again, I've been in the name for quite some time, and given this, the first time that Oxy's ever been talked about in the last 2 years has pretty much been the last couple of days, and getting that like 3-day run up, from basic, this thing pretty much increased almost 100% in, less than a month or so, and getting this big run up, it just seemed like a gift to finally get out of this name. I didn't make that much. I think my overall profit was like 10 or 12%. Like I had not the best cost basis overall, because I was pretty much buying this before the pandemic started. And finally now, 2 years later, I'm finally out of this thing. Like I'm so happy to be done with it. But it's like always so funny. Like I was in this thing for 2 years pretty much, or a little bit less than 2 years. And I sell it, and then like the next day it has its like biggest day of the last 3 years is like the day before I get out of it. Again, the only thing I could have done better on my end to been a part of that was just I should have had a lower day stop. And even though, again, it's hindsight now, but that would be the only thing, was instead of trying to, like take it off at 40, whatever I was selling, I think it was like 48 and change, like 48 quarter, something like that, which in the moment seemed like a great sell. Next day, inside day, and then inside day and up. And had I used a proper stop versus taking profits into the up move, I would have been involved for the, I more likely would have been out today. But that was kind of the main thing, just sticking with the trailing stops for what works for me.
Yeah.